Let's relax. I want to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
Is it okay for us to be great friends?
Sure, why not?
Really?
We're gonna sleep either at your house or my house.
Oh yeah, you can come visit us too.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Gonna be here tomorrow?
Duh! It's our special spot, and we're best friends now.
Oh yeah, check this out.
What is it?
It's my favorite song.
Oh, it's my favorite song too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I didn't realize after 1. I had to go. Sorry.
It's okay. I have to go too.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Camino, what happened?
Nothing. It's just that I'm gonna leave you.
Say it again.
I'm going away and I have to leave you.
I don't understand. Why?
My mom is sick and I have to take her to the hospital and stay in town.
I'm not gonna come see you.
Why aren't you coming to see me leave?
I don't want to.
So you don't want to see me anymore?
It's not that. If I come see you leave, no one can take me away from you.
Okay. I have to go. My mom is waiting for me. Hi, what's your name?
Noreen.
What are you doing here? I'm Alferino.
Nothing. Just finding some friends.
Can you be my friend?
Sure, why not? I don't have a best friend too. I once had a best friend, but she lived a long time ago.
Surprise!
What you doing here?
I came to see you. Why are you here? Are you waiting for someone?
Yeah, I'm waiting for a friend.
Who's that?
My new best friend.
Oh. Hi, Noreen. Sorry I made you wait.
Oh no, it's okay. Oh, this is Kalina.
Nice to meet you. I'm Reno. I'm Kalina. Nice to meet you too.
Oh, you do your homework? Hey Lena, wait up. Why are you being like this?